Hi, I'm Mumbi from Workplace Buddy, and today we're going to talk about Microsoft Bookings. If you work with a lot of clients or teams and your calendar looks like this, then scheduling appointments can become a real headache. But Bookings solves that problem for you. With Bookings, others can book time directly into your calendar, only on the days and times you're available. Super helpful if you offer things like open office hours. Booking saves you time on planning, so you can spend more time actually meeting with clients. And thanks to automatic email reminders, your customers or coworkers never forget their appointments again. In this video, I'll briefly explain what Bookings is and how it helps you schedule smarter. Microsoft Bookings is a smart online scheduling tool that helps you manage appointments more efficiently. It allows your clients or coworkers to book a time with you or with your organization whenever it fits your schedule. It's super easy to use, I'll show you in a second. And because it integrates with your Microsoft 365 calendar, double bookings are a thing of the past. Another nice feature is that you can install the Bookings app in Teams or Outlook, so you can access it wherever you already work. Think different layouts, services, and who's available to book with. So, Bookings works through customizable booking pages. You share these with clients or coworkers, and they can book appointments at times you've set as available. You create a booking page yourself where you define your availability. When you open Microsoft Bookings, you'll see a simple dashboard where you can create two types of pages, a personal booking page or a shared booking page. With a personal page, you define your own availability and share the link. You stay in full control of your time. You can block time for different types of meetings by setting up meeting types. By default, you can choose 15 or 30-minute one-on-one meetings, but you can also create custom types, like introductory call. Set a location or make it a Teams meeting. If it's a Teams meeting, people will automatically get the join link in their calendar. Fill in the rest of the details and adjust your availability if needed. Once you've published your page, share the link however you like. Add it to your email signature or your website. From there, people see your availability and book a time that works for both of you. With shared booking pages, you allow people to book time with you or your team. Compared to a personal page, these offer more options. You can add different services that people can book, like an intake meeting, a coaching session, or a product demo. Manage who can access the booking page, customize the colors, and add your company branding or logo. Shared booking pages are easy to tailor to your organization's needs. And that's Microsoft Bookings in a nutshell. Whether you're a solo professional or part of a big team, Bookings saves time, reduces mistakes, and is super easy to use. Your clients and coworkers will appreciate the flexibility, and you can enjoy a clutter-free calendar. So go ahead and give Microsoft Bookings a try today. Good luck!
Hey, you reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want, you can subscribe to the channel down below, or you can like it if you... What?
This way.
Oh. Please just subscribe.